how to increase or decrease picture resolution on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Camera app. After click on Camera app, click on this photo icon and you will see this is resolution icon. Click on resolution icon. If you want to increase resolution, so click on 200. So you will see resolution is increased. If you want to decrease picture resolution, so you will click on 12 You will see picture resolution is decreased. So you will increase or decrease picture resolution from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can increase or decrease picture resolution on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.